everyone, good morning. Wow, it has been a while since the last time I vlogged, so a little bit awkward in front of the camera. So for today, you see me, I'm getting ready. That is because I want to go hike today with a group of my colleagues slash friends. Not only hiking that we are going to do today, but we are also going to try waterfall abseiling. And I am so excited because I haven't done waterfall abseiling for a while. I'm excited and I'm going to try this with a bunch of the people that I know. I can't wait to show them around. Waterfall abseiling is going down by walking down on the waterfall. I don't know if I make sense, if the explanation makes sense to you, but yeah, we are using rope. We are not going to just go down without any of the protection. We are going to wear protections, a helmet, all the knee pads, and there's also harness. It is considered an extreme sport, but with all of this thing, protections, the rope, the harness, and the instructor, hopefully it is all going to be okay. I have done this before. Of course, you're going to be fear for the first time, but as you repeat it for many times, it will be fine and you would want to try again. But anyway, so I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up, and now is 7:43. We have to be there by 9 a.m. and meet with the instructor. I will see you guys later. Bye. I rasa parking bawah weh.
Ada kamera.
Yeah. Hi y'all. Say hi to the camera. Okay, let's go to the other parking. Okay, so sekarang kita dah dekat Kemensah lah. Basically, we are in Kemensah already, waiting for the instructor to prep us all and looking for our friends. Don't know where they are now, but yeah. Meet my friend y'all or colleague at work. So yeah, we are a group of 6, and actually this is a company trip that I organize because I love waterfall abseiling. So why not I bring some of them to try the waterfall abseiling in Kemensah. Yay!
Kalau nak hammock ke atas? Tinggal.
Boleh tak?
Boleh je?
Boleh.
Kita orang je ke?
Kalau nak bawa.
Korang je.
Kalau hemat boleh tolong angkat. Ni kursi.
Nak hammock pun nak.
So ada
Ni kita. Finally, our instructor have arrived at the place. So meet our instructor Ram and Black. I have done a few waterfall abseiling with a Ram previously, and I trust his service. And currently what we are doing now is to distribute the protection gear to all of us before we are going to hike and do the waterfall abseiling. Memilih memilih.
Kalau baju je.
Come on lah.
Tak vibe bro. Tak vibe bro.
Now that we have distributed the protection equipment to all of us, it is time to start hiking. And yes, before that, we did the warm-up exercises to prevent injuries. So for this hiking, it would take about 1 hour plus. The difficulty is easy to medium level, so even the beginner can try and go to this place, to this waterfall, to go high. So no worries. Okay, right now we are stuck at the entrance. Well, not like stuck, it's just because as you can see behind me there is a gate that is unopened. Apparently, yeah, we need a key for that. So our instructor have to go to get the key from the officer, and we have to wait here for about like 20 minutes. And yeah, so another delay. But anyway, since we are here already, why not we just wait? Yeah, hopefully soon we can get in and start our abseiling.
Dia cepat-cepat kali.
Okay, I'm not the only one who's talking to the video, so I invited you guys to speak something.
Kata hati lah cakap, tapi kan kalau tengok yang ni. Ini adalah hutan Dipterocarp lah dipanggil. Dipterocarp adalah sejenis spesies yang banyak dijumpai di Malaysia, Indonesia and apa hutan balak lah, banyak kayu balak di terracotta species. Kalau tengok dia punya buah tu, buah dia macam ada yang macam sayap sikit.
Ya.
Dan bila dia jatuh
Nanti
tu
ada
macam
tak gambar.
Kalau dekat ni nak kat Malaysia, kalau nak masuk hutan kita kena permit. Kita tak boleh masuk macam tu je, menyalahi undang-undang. Kalau tengok dekat sini berapa?
Apa tu?
30,000.
Denda.
RM30 denda korang.
Yo.
Tanpa permit adalah satu kesalahan. Jangan masuk tanpa permit. Jangan kita menyusahkan perhutanan Malaysia. Kita kena support kerajaan kita ya. Dekat Malaysia ada banyak hutan simpanan kekal, ada banyak jenis lah, ada untuk perlindungan, untuk balia, untuk tanaman air, untuk lipoh dan juga untuk production. Yang production tu maknanya dia boleh balak ke, dia boleh buat plantation dalam tu, forest plantation.
Tapi yang ini
kita tak sure lah dia jenis apa. Cumanya boleh nampak masih ada banyak pokok lah.
di belakang.
Tak sabar sih nak tengok pokok-pokok dalam hutan ni.
Ya, jom.
Thanks to my friend for the explanation just now about the forest type, or forest function to all of us. And now that we get our key from the officer, thanks to our instructor, we are now able to go inside and continue our hiking. There is also an ATV activity for those who interested to come to Kemensa, but you have to book it early. And I think there's 2 operators, if I'm not mistaken, who run this ATV activity. So yeah, I think you can just Google ATV Kemensa, and from there you can try contact them and book as early as possible.
Finally, we have arrived at the waterfall. I think we have trek, hike, walk for about almost an hour. And now I want to show you guys the waterfall. It is so gorgeous. What do you guys feel?
Right now,
How do you feel? Exhausted?
Excited too.
Excited?
Yes.
Yep.
Waiting for the exit.
Yeah.
So before we start our waterfall abseiling activity, we are going to give some time to our instructor to do the preparation to make sure all the ropes are in place. And while they are doing that, at the same time, we are also preparing ourselves, wearing all the protection gears and harness that have been distributed to us earlier.
Sudah masuk nanti. Tengok.
It is very important for the instructor to show to us and explain to us on how to do the waterfall abseiling. So here we have our instructor Black showing us the exact way on how to do the waterfall abseiling.
Okay, now I'm getting ready to go abseil. And I'm all wearing the protection. I have my helmet and I also have my knee pad, elbow pad, oh my god. And yep, I'm ready. And the abseiling is over there. Is it over there? Yep, over there. I'm a bit nervous, but let's do this.
Hi,
How do you feel right now?
A bit nervous. I have not done this before. We just did a trial lah with the instructor just now. It was okay, but but it was on a flat land, so on a stone, not flat, maybe different.
Okay. Fighting.
Fighting.
start. I just finished the first rounds of the abseiling. It was good, but unfortunately I forgot to take off the safety line because the safety line is short and I got stuck in the middle while I'm trying to go down. So meaning that I can't go down because of the safety line. I forgot to take it off. So I had a little bit of struggling in the middle of that waterfall. Thank God, finally with the help of the instructor, of course, we take off the safety line and I was able to finish the abseiling. But still it was a bit of struggling, but overall it was fun. I haven't done this for a while, and yep, I'm looking forward for the second round or maybe the third round, and let's see how. But right now I just want to rest for a little bit, get some snacking and drink, and then I will continue again for the second round. See ya!
Alright. Alright. Let's go. Okay. Dia tengah minum air yang secukupnya. Okey, dah cukup.
We are done with the waterfall abseiling, and now we are ready to take off all the harness, the protection, the gears, and ready to head back.
Okay,
So far so good.
so far so good. Oh, yang tajam tadi tu kan? Damn it. Tajam
Padahal
pun.
lepas warning korang kan. Ni
Oh, betul.
tajam ni. Sekali aku yang kena. So yang mana yang tengok video tu bila nak datang kan?
Gitu. Bagi teaser sikit. Nanti I bagi detail in the description and you guys can have a look at it. So, okay, let me adjust my camera. I just finished my second round for the abseiling. This time around is much better from the first round because first of all, there's no stuck at all. We managed to take off the safety line. We also able to stay in the middle where sit there and just let ourselves wash off by the waterfall, and it's so great, it's so good. Yeah, I feel healing. For those who are interested to come here and experience waterfall abseiling, I'll put a description down below and you guys can check out. So yeah, this is in Kemensa, belakang Zoo Negara, if you guys know. There are also other places for abseiling. I'll put the detail in the description as well, and you guys can check out. Fortunately or unfortunately, we only able to finish 2 rounds, and it's already around 3 or something. We want to avoid raining. I think later on it will be raining. We want to pack up our stuff and leave from this place before it will be raining. We haven't eat our lunch yet. I think all of us are very hungry at the moment. Yeah, we're going to find food after this, and see you. Okay, sekarang kita bergerak. Alright, we want to move out from this. We want to move from this place and eat because we are very hungry right now. We are very, very hungry. So let's find food.
Alright, so that's all for this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and stay tuned.